Just got out of work, heading over to the boat project, and I've got a couple things on the agenda for tonight. The first one being, I'm gonna take all the windows out. All these little screws have to come out. There's probably bedding compound, butyl caulk, something on the outside, although it's more like silicone there. Jeez. All right. So yeah, screws have to come out, bedding, all that stuff has to come out. I'm gonna pull these big side windows. I'm gonna pull these smaller corner windows. Plastic window frame with acrylic. Then I'm gonna pull these front windows. They're gonna bust it up here. Again, plastic frames. These ones are also acrylic. I'm gonna pull these side little flip up hatch cover things, double as seats. So I'm gonna get rid of those. I'm going to, I don't know, I think I might leave the deck. Well, no, I'll pull the deck up. Why not? I'm here. And then it's just a matter of getting these front port lights all taken off. I took all the nuts off from the inside, so I have to take all these bolts off and pull the outside opening. And I think that'll do it for tonight. So moving on to the port lights, and these things are pretty basic. The reason why I'm replacing them is because I have these little things all busted up. This one's cracked, it's been stepped on, it's held in place with, like, well, I guess that one's caulk, but some of them are silicone, and I just want to make a match and keep them all nice, so these are coming out. And yeah, 6 of those total. Again, that one's all busted up. And if we go inside, so there was this inner trim ring, and there was a whole bunch of nuts here, and I basically carved away from the nut because every single nut was spinning in the little ring. So yeah, took all the nuts off. The ring should be ready to pop out. So we'll just take a chisel or a knife, or painter's knife or something, and carve all of those out, get those rings off, and the window should pop out. So here we go. Instead of buying a LED work light like a grown adult, I've rigged up this sweet Napa Jump Start Pack, a DeWalt clamp, and this like LED Amazon spotlight. And you know what? Working awesome. So I had a pretty late night the other night. Cleaned up all the adhesive and stuff, inside and outside skin. The line is clean all the way around. I pulled up the top, like, I don't know, overlaid deck. So that came up pretty quick. There were trim pieces all the way around these rails. Those are gone. Under here, it's pretty dirty, messy. These things are coming out. The center piece is coming out. Anything that's like fir or pine or whatever is, you know, crappy wood. So my plan is to cut all the way around this outside deck. There's like a drain, little indentation all the way around in this corner. So I want to cut the deck pretty close to that, and basically lay in new deck. So new core. Not sure if I'm going to use Kuza. That's probably the right way to do it. Might use marine ply and just, you know, glass over the top. Also a right way to do it, but not as good as Kuza. So anyway, we'll figure that out next. Back here, got a whole bunch of crap. All these windows need to be thrown away. I'll sell them real cheap to the highest bidder if anyone wants those. Here's the deck section here. So yeah, looking pretty good.